Hi everybody, it's John of JWH Millinery and welcome back to my channel. Now, you probably have realised I've not been posting for a while, and for that I apologise. I have taken some time out of work because I just wasn't feeling I had the time to do everything I need to do to maintain a one video a week minimum and work full time. It's just, it was hard work. It was, you know, a lot of late nights and something had to give. So unfortunately I have taken a break. I technically still am, but I will be posting when I can get videos out that I can get out quality but not having to spend a lot of time editing like this one. So, you know, that's where I am. But for those of you that are long time viewers, thank you for keeping with me. Thank you for understanding, and even to my new viewers, you know, thank you for subscribing. For those of you that aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I think it's around about there, and you know, it does help me out, you know, with the likes, with the shares, with the subscribe. So please just take 2 seconds, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell as well. But this video is about the Great Hat exhibition of 2018, which is part of London Hat Week. Now, this is Sunday. I'm actually recording this the same day I'm uploading, so today's Sunday. Hat exhibition week. So London Hat Week starts on Thursday the 22nd, I believe, and it kicks off with the, what does it kick off with? What's it called? The launch party. Yes. So if you're going to the launch party, make sure you come and find me and say hi, and hopefully you might be in my next video, which will be a video similar to this. No tutorials or anything, it's just more like a vlog style video. So come and say hi, and if you're up for being in the video, let me know and we'll sort something out. But yes, so during Hat Week there is an exhibition, and it's curated by Monique Lee of X Terrace Fashion Platform. And this exhibition is based on the Great Hat no, it's not the Great, it is the Great Hat exhibition, but it's based on the Great Exhibition. So designers had to submit hats based on history from their country or something like that, and these are 32 designs by numerous designers, and these are some beautiful pieces. There was some, I mean, all of them were absolutely stunning. So I can't wait to see the full 300 at the actual exhibition. So if you want tickets to the exhibition, they're in the description box below. So yeah, it was a beautiful affair. It was at Pinko on Brompton Road, so shout out to Pinko. We actually got, like, can you see this here? Got a little goodie bag with, oh my god, it was beautiful. Like, it was quite fabulous. And yeah, so if you want to see the preview event, so keep on watching.